everybody, Justin Worden with ROCKA Solutions, and you're watching What's New in Electronics. I am here with the president and founder of ROCKA Solutions, my boss, one of my good friends, Mr. Rodrigo Cacho. Rodrigo, how are you, man?
I'm fine, thank you, Justin.
Dude, the Guadalajara show is something else. Coming down for SMTA Guadalajara is so different than any of the other shows I go to. It's pretty much just chaos the entire time. But what I really want to talk about with you is what is going on with your booth.
Basically, as you know, we always want to do things differently. So this year we decided to bring a lot of exclusivity for our customers. Science is what they really are looking for. We want to bring a lot of products, a lot of quality, but the most important thing is the service we provide to the industry with that exclusivity service that we bring as value.
So last year at this show was my first day working with ROCKA Solutions, and you guys had a booth, and the ROCKA booth was wild. There were so many people, the line was out the door. I thought it was because you brought the gringo down from America, me, but the reality was we built a cantina and we had a live bar, and it was a big hit. This year, we went completely different. We broke all the rules of trade shows and we closed our booth off. We essentially built a nightclub in the middle of the floor. We got speakers, we got TVs, we got true exclusivity, invite only. Do you think people are gonna shy away, or are people gonna be fighting down the door to get in?
I think we're gonna have a waiting line to see our booth. Honestly speaking, as you say, last year we have an open booth, we have a nice cantina, we have a lot of fun, and then we just close the cantina. The cantina stay there. All the products, all the news, all the new technologies inside our booth, and anything the customers will need, it's right there.
Now, getting away from the trade show, you brought me on board as your VP of Sales and Marketing just about a year ago. And in that time frame, we've seen such tremendous rapid growth. Not only have we launched in the United States, in Canada, we've launched 2 facilities in Brazil, Europe, we got things going on in Australia, China. What do you really credit all that growth so quickly in 5 years for ROCKA Solutions?
We are just following the customers' demand that we have. Like, we have global customers that we do business with them in Mexico, but they basically say to us, I need that product, I need that quality, but then you need to ship that material in Brazil. Then you need to ship that material in Canada, in China, in Europe. So basically what we are following is we follow the footprint of our customers to really make that difference. We want to be a global company. We are a global company right now, and any customers that have any requests in China, Europe, Australia, we just opened our company in Canada, US, Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina. They will find the same solutions, the same quality, and the best price.
Well, the one thing I really want to credit what you mentioned there is you opened up a facility. Not only are we opening up ROCKA facilities in all these locations, we're actually starting corporations in the local market. USA Corporation, Canadian corporations, in Brazil, Sao Paulo, and Manaus, 2 separate corporations. So not only are we able to provide the product, we're able to provide the product as a corporation of their local market. And that's a huge investment, but it makes our customers much happier.
Exactly, and in every country that we are setting up any corporation, we have a local people. That local people speak the language, the local language. They know the culture, they know what they need, they are really expert on that country. So basically we just bring the same value with the local people.
Yeah, and one thing we've really spent a lot of time on is ROCKA has been known for the last 5 years as a tremendous global distributor. Distributing for some of the top brands. Some of the brands you see on the logos behind me, Weller, Indium, Zestron, Mounts, all on display in our booth. But what we're very proud of and we're talking so much about is the manufacturing side of ROCKA. What really made the decision to go into the manufacturing business?
It's because we need to do things differently. One part is good to have big brands that support our growth, but also the customers, they need local solutions. So we find a gap between manufacturing and support. A lot of those products are just coming from China, and then we decide to bring our own technology. We have local manufacturing capabilities in Sao Paulo, in Manaus, Mexico, US, and China. So that's why we're breaking that kind of rule. We are not the standard distributor because, as you just mentioned, we also made our own product.
Yeah, and one of the main things that we're focused on, in addition to distributing and manufacturing, is we want to be that global solution for global companies. When you talk about some of the biggest companies in the world, the Jables, the Continentals, the Neotechs, these multi-$100 million companies, they have facilities all over the United States just like us. And when he says we're following our customer, we're coming to them and opening up in their market so that they can offer standardized solutions for all of their manufacturing as well. Their facilities in the US want to be able to use the same products that they use in Mexico. And that is where ROCKA is really coming to the table and offering solutions so that across the board, they can make sure that they're putting out the best products at high quality by using the same raw materials and same consumables for all of their facilities. Everybody, I want to thank you for watching. This is ROCKA Solutions. If you have any questions, info@rockasolutions.com. We'll throw it on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.